Banana pudding. Bake. Hello everyone, welcome back. We are making Southern style dessert. Banana pudding. Bake. Here are the ingredients. Eggs, milk, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla, butter, cream of tartar, banana, ripe banana. That's the perfect color of the banana for the banana pudding. Wafer cookies or any cookies you have in your pantry. Slowly, carefully. There. That's it. Let me wash my hand. Okay. So now let's make the custard. Let's beat this yolk first. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Take all those yolk. Sugar. Mix it really good. It's better to mix everything first in making the custard, so it will be evenly smooth before we put it and cook it over the top of the boiling water. The steam will cook it. So after the sugar, let's put the cornstarch. Then the milk. And vanilla. So when it's evenly mixed and it's ready, smooth, no more lumps, so we can put it, cook it on over the boiling water. So let the steam cook it. Now we're cooking the custard over the boiling water until it thickens. and form into custard. We have to whisk it really good so it won't be lumpy. I move the custard into the pot and continue cooking it. So this is the texture we were looking for the custard. So we turn off the stove. Now we add some butter. Butter helps the custard to look shiny. So the butter will melt even the stove is off because the heat will melt it. Heat of the custard. So keep putting butter. And stir it. That's it. That's how it should look. Shiny. So when the butter are all melted, we can transfer it into a clean bowl. So I put a plastic wrap on top of the custard so it won't form a skin, and we have to continuously cool it down. Put it in the refrigerator. So the custard cools down, so it's time to put together making the pudding. First, we have to put some pudding down at the bottom of the dish tray. Just like that. Then put some wafer first. Then some bananas. Trying to make it nicely lined up. Just like that. Then some more pudding on top of it. We're layering it. Then more wafer. I need one more banana. So I have one more banana here. Oh man. Go away. Okay. That's it. Now, I have to put this back in the refrigerator. So now we're gonna beat the white. And put some cream of tartar to stabilize the meringue. Almost there. 1 second. Put some sugar. Continue beat it. Oops, sorry. So when it's ready at this peak, it's a meringue now, so we're done beating it. Set it aside. So now we're gonna put the meringue on top of this pudding, on top of the custard. Just like that. Now we just have to spread the meringue evenly. To make it look good. Then we can make it look like, go like this. Oh, no. Just like that, to get some texture looking. And now that's ready to go to put in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's done baking. There you have it. The Southern style dessert, banana pudding, baked. Thank you for watching. I hope you will try making this dessert. banana pudding baked. Till next time, enjoy! Time for tasting. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Do you want some more?
Oh, heck yeah.
You want a big cut, big piece. Oops, moving.
Gotta feed the belly.
There you